And finally, tip number 6, set budget limits to your ads, including frequency caps. Delivering effective traffic driving ads does require money. And like any other media platform, streaming TV can be a bottomless pit and can burn through your budget pretty fast. There will be a learning curve between knowing how much is enough to be effective and how much is just overspending. Setting these limits will ensure that you never overserve an ad or overspend. Most of the providers out there have minimum ad spends. And while they do want your budget, they also want the campaign to work. No one stays in business very long with one-off purchases. Just like you want to make a sale, so do they. But they also want a happy, repeat customer just like you do. So just go ahead and ask them, hey, what is needed to be successful on your platform? Also, demand that your provider offers you what is called a frequency cap. This will make sure your ad does not get served to the same person in the same program time after time after time. And while there is a lot of debate on this, I have seen the best results with frequency caps of around 12 to 15 ads per week per viewer. You want to be remembered, but you don't want to be seen as a nuisance or annoying. That can actually do a lot of harm to your dealership and your reputation. So, how do you even get started? Well, first, you are going to need to commit to video. Unlike most of the social and digital platforms that are out there that are all image and text-based, this is video. And video takes time, effort, and even a few dollars to do well. I would advise you to do a little bit of research on what video creation is actually going to cost. Go ahead and meet with some local video producers and see what creating content will run you. And while you're in that research phase, set up a few meetings with your local cable or broadcast TV rep. They will be happy to share what they can provide and the targeting options that they have available through their streaming TV platforms. Also, there are a number of self-serve platforms out there. YouTube and Hulu are all self-serve. There's a lot of other ones out there, but these are the easiest. So let's wrap this up. Video is huge. Consumers cannot get enough, which means it isn't going anywhere anytime soon. And since we're in the automotive space, there is no better way to showcase our products or services than with video. So my advice, give customers what they want by jumping on that video bandwagon.